Hello, and welcome to the 3M Lab. In this video, you will learn how to collect a sample from a Lumened surgical instrument to measure cleaning efficacy using the 3M CleanTrace ATP monitoring system. Instruments should be sampled after the automated washer disinfector step. Before you begin, make sure the instrument is thoroughly rinsed. When you are ready to collect your sample, start with the exterior of the surgical instrument. Remove the Surface Test UXC from the device sleeve, taking care to touch only the blue handle. Do not let the swab touch any surface except that which is to be sampled. Hold the test between thumb and forefinger so you can easily rotate the swab. Touch the swab to the instrument surface and apply enough downward pressure to cause the wand to flex. Move your swab back and forth along the entire surface of the instrument. During sample collection, rotate the swab to ensure sufficient contact between the swab and the instrument being sampled. Once you've collected the sample, insert the test back into the device sleeve. You can activate and read immediately, or you can wait until the next steps are complete. You have up to 4 hours to activate and read this test. Next, let's sample the lumen. To prepare the instrument, attach a connector from the 3M water test kit to the flush port. Any other ports or valves will need to be plugged or closed to prevent leakage of the sample. The connectors and plugs in the CleanTrace ATP water test accessory kit are for single-use only, so be sure to discard them when you've completed your test. After you've attached your connector to the flush port, fill a sterile 60 cc syringe with air. Attach the syringe to the flush port and press down on the syringe to push the air through the lumen. This process removes any cleaning agent remaining in the lumen. Any fluid removed during this flush should not be collected in your sterile sample container. When complete, detach the syringe from the connector. Fill the syringe with 10 cc's of sterile water. Then pull an additional 30 to 40 cc's of air into the syringe. Reattach the syringe to the connector on the flush port and make sure the other end of the instrument lumen is placed inside a sterile collection container. Press down on the syringe to push the water and air through the lumen, collecting the water sample in the container. The extra volume of air ensures the entire water sample is collected. Now it's time to measure the ATP levels of the collected samples, starting with the water sample. Gently remove a CleanTrace water test H2O from the device sleeve, taking care to not touch the collection rings at the tip. Slowly immerse the tip of the test into the water sample just up to the collar. If air bubbles are present, gently tap the test handle. Carefully insert the test back into the device sleeve and press the handle down until you feel a click. Grip the top of the test and shake side to side for at least 5 seconds. Once you have activated the test, it must be read in the lumenometer immediately. Insert the test into the CleanTrace Lumenometer LX25 and follow the on-screen prompts to take a measurement. In 10 seconds or less, you'll see the result, a quantitative RLU value and a pass or fail response. If the RLU value is above 150 or the facility-designated threshold, the instrument should be re-cleaned and retested according to your facility's policies and procedures. You'll follow the same click and shake activation steps for the surface test and the same steps to measure your results using the lumenometer. Your selections on the lumenometer screen will vary by test, so follow the on-screen prompts to take each measurement. And always refer to the product manuals or the product's instructions for use. For a system overview and detailed walkthroughs of additional sample collection procedures, visit 3m.com/cleantrace.